Hello guys, this is Catia, and today in this video I am going to tell you how to design a feather shuttle in Catia. So it consists of only 4 to 5 steps. Firstly, I had designed the bottommost part by revolve command, which I will show you in detail. After designing this bottom part, we have to create this multi-section view. This multi-section view was created by taking the two sketches, sketch 2 and sketch 3. To draw the second part of the feather, take a plane inclined to 15 degrees to the surface of the multi-section. This plane 4 was inclined to minus 15 degrees. After taking this plane, I have drawn the same sketch but in some different dimensions so that it could cover a large part of the adjacent feather, and then extrude it again 2.5 mm. After completing this, I have to circular pattern the total feathers and the multi-section to finally make it appear like a shuttle.